Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Aussie dollar, to me, it still definitely looks like three ways up and three ways down. I still believe that this is going to end up continuing up like that, probably even taking out this high to finish off this WXY pattern. So, we should be making an ABC of wave Y as of now. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely don't want to see this fib on this time frame. So on the weekly, we definitely see a series of higher highs, higher lows. I think this is a wave A. I think this is like an A, B, C, D, and we're most likely in a wave E right now. And I think that once this wave E is over, it's probably going to end in A, B, C, D, E of wave B, and then head up and make that wave Y, which should be a trend for the wave C of wave Y to form that pattern that I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see the A, B, C, and then it made three ways up, most likely a D, and it definitely looks like it's forming a downtrend, which may or may not be over. I think there's a good chance that it is going to go down more, maybe even to this 78%. Probably take out this low to finish off this wave E before it ends this correction and potentially ends up continuing the uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we do have CPI data coming out today. We definitely want to keep that in mind. We have been making lower lows, lower highs, as you can see. We definitely are looking for three-way pullbacks to go short. I think that this right here is going to be a three-way pullback like an ABC. I think it's going to go up and retest the 61.8, probably end this correction and end up continuing the downtrend. I am definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. Today's CPI news, I do not think is going to change that. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, and this definitely looks to me like a trend, like five ways up for an A. This is probably more like a correction, like a wave B. I think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C, which I believe is going to go back up to the 61.8% Fibonacci. And I think that today's CPI news is most likely going to cause this to end in ABC correction, and most likely cause this to end up continuing the downtrend. So we're going to have to see what happens at the news, but right now it looks like we're in a wave C, so I do think that the news is going to cause this to keep on trending down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.